Hi, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today I want to go over something really important with the Rancilio Silvia and any other dual-purpose single boiler espresso machine. When we talk about dual-purpose single boiler, typically you'll have a steam switch that you turn on and off to get into steam mode, so from espresso mode to steam mode. But this process that I'm going to go over is really important when you're first starting up the machine, and also when you're steaming or after steaming the milk, you need to go through this process. You'll get a cup, put it under the steam wand. You want to open the steam valve by turning the knob to the open position. You want to hit the hot water switch. If you don't have a hot water switch, then also use the coffee switch. If you do use a coffee switch, you'll need to put a cup under the portafilter, or if you have no portafilter in place, the group head. So we'll hit the hot water switch. Then we'll fill the reservoir. Put the cover back on. Then lastly, we're going to hit the power switch. You're going to hear the pump make a rumbling noise. Once water starts going through, it'll continue for about up to 60 seconds in some machines, maybe even 90 seconds. But we're going to want to get a stream of water through the steam wand. And again, if no hot water switch, through the group head. The purpose of this is to avoid damage to the boiler that's inside, because just because the reservoir is filled doesn't mean the boiler inside is filled. The only way to make sure that the boiler inside is filled is to get water from the reservoir through the boiler, through the steam wand. Why do I prefer the steam wand? Because the steam comes out of the top of the boiler. The pipe is situated at the top. On the group heads, typically the pipe that goes inside the boiler is only about 3/4 of the way up. So the steam wand ensures that the boiler is completely filled. I'll keep the cover off. When I do run this process and water starts flowing, I'm going to squeeze both hoses. When you hear a different pump noise when the hoses are squeezed, it tells you that the pump is actually pumping water through the system, and that's just a quick check. So I'm going to start right now. And as you can hear the different pump noise, so we're good there. I'll open up the valve a little more. And now we have a nice stream of water. We shall shut off the hot water switch, close the valve. The machine is already heating. It's really important to do this right away and as quickly as possible, because that heating element typically will kick on and start heating. If you don't follow this process, the whole heating element on the inside will melt to a crisp. The technicians will know, and in a lot of cases, manufacturers, not just Rancilio, but even others, may not cover this under warranty, because this is a process that needs to be followed. After you steam 1 to 2 cups of milk, you don't have to go through the on-off process, but what you'll do is you'll have some steam coming out, hit the hot water switch, steam will sputter out with the hot water, and you want to make sure that you're getting a steady stream of water. That ensures that there's no more steam inside the boiler and the boiler is filled with water. Glad you enjoyed the video and have a great day.